Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, a day after Jamaica celebrated its independence, the nation was finally able to celebrate a gold medal at the Games of the 33rd Olympiad in Paris, France.
This after Roje Stona created history, becoming the first Jamaican man to win the discus throw at an Olympic Games.
Records are meant to be broken, and history written every day. And Roje Stona rewrote the history books while breaking records in Paris, France today. The 25-year-old 6'6" Stona stood as a giant among his peers, as his 70 meters not only delivered Jamaica's first gold medal at the 2024 Olympics, but now stands as the Olympic record for the men's discus throw.
I can't comprehend what just happened. I'm very speechless. This is what I always wanted, but to come here and do it is just like I'm living the dream.
Stona says the wait to start competing is now finally worth it.
I've been here, it felt like I've been in Paris for a month. It's only been like 2 weeks. So it's hard to get up every day and keep focused. There's a lot of distractions going on around me. And to actually come here and do this, I have a lot of support and a lot of people to give thanks to. Coaches, family, they were here in the crowd cheering me on. I had good advisors. And yeah, I just believed in myself and put my trust in God.
It moved the nation's medal tally to 5, comprising 1 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze. Incidentally, 4 of the 5 medals have come in the field, with Shanika Ricketts in the triple jump, Wayne Pinnock in the long jump and Rajendra Campbell in the shot put being amongst the other medal winners for Jamaica so far. Kishane Thompson in the 100 meters is Jamaica's lone medalist on the track so far. Reporting from Paris, France, from the Games of the 33rd Olympiad, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ News.